Did you know that Amazon are always hiring? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find jobs for Amazon, and I'll show you how you can apply for them as well. So what I first recommend you do is go ahead and go to the Amazon jobs website. The easiest way that I've found to do that is just go on Google and just type in Amazon jobs. And it should be the first one here. You want to go to www.amazon.jobs. Once you're on the Amazon jobs website, you can now search for jobs all around the world. Now, Amazon are hiring all around the world. So if I type in a location, let's just say the United Kingdom, we can then choose the UK. If we have a specific job or keyword we want to enter, we can do. If we want to just see all the jobs though, we can just search for jobs in the UK. Now it's going to show us over 500 full-time positions that we can apply for. Now, these are going to be very specific positions. So maybe if you have a qualification or a degree, you can filter it by this job category feature here. So maybe you want a job in operations, so you can check this box. And you can see these have been updated recently, that this one is 23 hours ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So they're always hiring. This specific job is a quality manager, Amazon Hub pickup and returns. So this is for delivery and returns, and it's a quality manager. So if we click on this job, it's going to give us a description about the job and the key responsibilities that you'll need to take after you get accepted for this job. It will also cover the basic qualifications that you need, a degree, relevant experience in program management, and so on. And if you feel like this is the job for you, you can go to apply now in the top right hand corner, and you can do this for any job. You can then log in with your Amazon account or your Google account. So I'm going to log in with Amazon, and then Amazon will gain access to your name and email, I do believe. So yeah, so you're given access to your name and email, so click allow. It's then going to ask you to confirm your email, so click continue. You then need to verify your email address, so they're going to send you a verification code. So we will verify that. So once you've done that, it will take you to this window where you then need to enter in some contact information, your address and basic stuff like that. You can then go through these tabs and enter in here your SMS number, general questions, your work eligibility, your CV, and consent here. And you want to fill in this whole form and then review and submit it. And that's how you can apply for jobs on Amazon.